2624 702 236 2624. I enjoy doing this so much, coming right here at Power 88. If you've never been to Power 88, the staff is just really comical. Everybody from Brian, Miles, Craig, Craig is cool. You got Joy at the front desk. I mean, everybody here has really a positive attitude. I met Flavor Flay last week. He walked up to me like he knew me. Hey, man, how you doing, boy? I mean, it was funny. I mean, he's like, this guy been knowing me for years, but he was so nice. Hey, Flavor Flay. And he was gracious enough to take a picture with me. But this is our community radio station. And if you ever get an opportunity, you want to come in and check out what your membership dollars are going toward. It. Right now, 88 is having their membership drive. So be a part of it. Be a part of this Power 88 machine that's been going for over 45 years. I'm so happy to come here every single week and deliver this message to you. And, it only happens because of Power 88. So please, doing that membership drive, give up a little change, get some of that change, you got, so give it to them so they can continue functioning right here at Power 88 to bring you shows like my show and Kimberly's shows and the shows they have throughout the week. And also the music, the gospel, everything that you hear on Power 88 is funded by our listeners and also federally funded. So let's keep our Power 88 on the air. So give up the change. You got it. I know you got it. All right, getting back to the life insurance. Another question was asked about the life insurance. Can I pick my due date? Of course you can, anywhere from the 1st to the 28th of the month. Or if you can't afford to purchase the policy initially when we meet, you could buy the policy 30 days out. Okay, you could buy the policy 30 days out without making the payment. Now, once the first payment is received, that's when we issue the policy out. Again, for more information, contact me at 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. We're going to go right to the phone lines again, 702-647-3688. Good morning, caller.
Good morning, Donald. I was considering doing Uber and Lyft driving, and I was wondering how insurance works. Do I need to get a separate or a different policy, or?
That is a really good question, and I'm finding out through Uber. I don't know about Lyft, but through Uber, because that's one of the questions I was concerned about. They do cover the passengers, but understand they don't cover the driver. So through Uber or Lyft, they're going to have a liability clause in there to protect the passengers. Now, they will probably not protect you as a driver. And when I say protect you for liability, if you have an accident as a result of your fault or someone hits into your car, that passenger has to be insured up to a certain dollar amount. And it's probably a $5 or $10 million policy. Now, as far as a driver, what I'm getting is, as far as a driver of Lyft or Uber, you don't absorb that cost for the liability. But my suggestion to you is do not carry the minimum coverages on your automobile insurance, because now you're underprotecting yourself, but you should carry a larger liability coverage, at least $250,500 per occurrence. $250,000 per accident, $500 per occurrence. That's, to me, where you need to be driving passengers around town. Because what if you're responsible for a balance? What if you have some type of liability issues there? Are you still there, caller? Okay, they probably hung up. They're probably driving a passenger right now. But for all my Uber and my Lyft drivers, this is a new thing. So yes, what my understanding is, the companies will cover the liability for the passengers only, not for your injuries. That would concern me as a driver. So they're protected, you're not. And also, your property probably won't be protected if you're in a car accident as a result of your fault, or even not your fault, but by way of transporting people around town in your own personal vehicle. Now, I understand, too, these companies do have their own vehicles. So, once you are a driver, my suggestion to any driver that drive these type of vehicles or transport people around, find out the liability portion of the policy. Ask the questions. How does this affect my personal insurance, and how much insurance is covered for my passengers and myself? Because that would be a major concern for me driving passengers around town. For more information, contact me. Kimberly is standing by to take your phone call. 702-236-2624. 236-2624. My location is 2300 West Sahara. I'm in the U.S. Bank Building, located on the 8th floor. I do work by appointment, so contact me at 702-236-2624. My voice is kind of going out a little bit. Wow, I don't know. It's just the allergies around town right now with the wind blowing and the weather really have an effect on me. But I'm going to hang in here. I have about another 10 minutes to go. Now, other questions was asked, if I smoke marijuana, can I get life insurance? Yes, you can. That's not one of the questions we ask for final expense life insurance. Marijuana is not a requirement. Now, if you smoke cigarettes, a lot of smokers out there, and I know you out there smoking cigarettes, and you don't have life insurance. Why not? I'm gonna ask you the question. You smoke cigarettes and you don't have any life insurance. What cigarettes cost, if you just cut on half the usage of cigarettes, you can afford to buy life insurance. Because the biggest excuse I get is, well, I can't afford it. But you smoke cigarettes. If you can afford to smoke cigarettes, you can afford to have life insurance. Cigarettes kill over 400,000 people every single year. Let me say it again. Cigarettes, 400,000 people die from cigarettes every single year. Okay? So my smokers out there, let's get you some life insurance. Another question was asked, if I have diabetes, can I get a life insurance policy? Am I insured the day you walk out the office? Yes, diabetics, I can get you a life insurance. Okay, no problem. Now, if you have complications of diabetes, I can still get you a life insurance policy. When I say complication of diabetes, that we're talking about amputation, diabetic coma, blindness, or kidney disorder. Yes, even if you have those, whether you're taking insulin or the pill, I can get you a life insurance policy. But you have to call me. I'm not going to call you. I don't know your number. 702-236-2624. Can I borrow money on my life insurance policy? Now, once the policy builds up cash value, you can't take the policy out today and borrow money on it next month. It's going to take a while for the cash value portion of the policy to build up. Now, that usually in the third year, you see the cash value building up in a final expense life insurance policy. Now, after you're 5 to 10 years into the policy, there is money there you can borrow against the policy. Okay, you can borrow against the policy. But keep in mind, if you just pay what's required month to month, you need to pay a little extra. You need to pay a little extra so you can pay that loan back. Because on the death benefit, they will minus that loan from the death benefit with finance charges included. And usually that finance charge is about 8%. Very expensive finance charge. So you want to pay that loan back quickly. So in other words, you've had the policy for the last 7 years, and you have about $3,000 you need for an emergency. Yes, you can borrow the money, and we'll go over the policy to look at your cash value when you receive the policy. And if you do borrow the money, okay, pay it back. Pay a little extra to pay it back. Again, for more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned in to Your Insurance Connection. My phone number is 702-236-2624. Kimberly standing by to take your phone call right now. 702-236-2624. Once you get your life insurance application all filled out, get you qualified. My underwriting is very quick. It takes only about 30 minutes to write this life insurance policy. Get you qualified. No one's going to come to your house, take body fluids from you. Height, weight is not a restriction for getting life insurance, final expense life insurance policy. We can get you insured today. Now, if you cannot qualify for final expense life insurance, then you will go into a modified insurance policy, meaning your health is going to dictate that you're not going to get insurance right away, but you will get it in 2 years. So in other words, you will continue to make your insurance payments on your life insurance policy. Now, after 2 years and a day, you do have the full amount available on your life insurance policy. Again, in the past, these companies would deny you coverages because you had cancer, diabetes, COPD, you had a heart disease. Now, what they're doing, they said, we're going to insure you, but there is a 2-year waiting period, or a 2-year contestable period, in other words. Okay? So they're not denying you. 2 years go by really, really quick. All right? So 2 years, well, your health is dictating this. Now, in most cases, you cannot get insurance anywhere else. Okay? So you may think you can't get it at all. You can get it even if you had heart surgery yesterday, I can get your life insurance policy. All right? If you have cancer, I can get your life insurance policy. COPD, emphysema, kidney disorders, organ transplant, Alzheimer's, dementia, I can get you a life insurance policy, okay? So call me. Kimberly standing by at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Let's book an appointment. Let's get in and talk about your life insurance concerns. Can a wife buy a policy on a husband without the husband being there, or vice versa? Yes, I can get you a life insurance policy without your spouse being there, up to $20,000 in life insurance. But you have to call me. I gave you the phone number. You know the number to call. Pick up the phone and dial the numbers. So, yes, I can make it happen. It's very easy to qualify. Now, if you need that larger life insurance policy where you need a couple $100,000 or $100,000 life insurance policy, I have those available too. I represent 66 life insurance companies. 66 life insurance companies I represent, so I can find a life insurance policy for you. Now, on your auto insurance policy, I represent over 25 auto insurance companies for your auto insurance policy. We can find a policy for you too as well. But again, my location is at 2300 West Sahara, right across the street from the Palace Station Hotel, right on the corner of Rancho and Sahara. All roads lead to Rancho and Sahara, right off the 15 in Sahara. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. 702-236-2624. One more time, 702-236-2624. I want you guys to stay tuned because Sharon is coming on. She's new to the mic over here at 88. She's going to talk about credit repair. So she's coming up next, and stay tuned right here on Power 88. I want to thank all my listeners that tune in every single week here on the station, here at Power 88. I want to thank for the continued support. And, like always in leaving, you guys just keep it crispy. Until next week. Take care. Bye-bye.